Good morning students. Sairam. Welcome back once again. Children, in the last video we have discussed about the introduction of asana, pranayam, meditation and yogic riyas. Yogic riyas also known as Shat Karm, in which there are 6 processes by which we clean our internal organ. And today we will learn about the yoga which help you to increase your concentration power. So for today our topic is yoga for concentration. Children, yoga works to relax the mind and body so we can think more clearly and in the time increase our ability to concentrate. As the wise yogic says Patanjali state in the Patanjali Yoga Sutra that yoga is the reduction of fluctuation of the mind or stilling the natural turbulence of your thoughts. So a regular yoga practice help us concentrate. So if we do regular practice of yoga, different parts of yoga, asana, pranayam, meditation, so it will help you to increase your concentration power. So let's see what are the asana which help you to increase your concentration power. Not only asana, pranayam and other process, other limbs of yoga which help you to increase your concentration power. So first one is Padmasana. I think so you all aware about the Padmasana. Children, Padmasana is traditionally regarded as one of the best posture for pranayam and pratyahar. Now you know what is pratyahar. Pratyahar means to withdraw our sense in, as it allows the body to be held completely steady for a long period of time. As the body is steadied, the mind becomes calm and give a firm foundation for concentration power. So we only able to concentrate on any particular object or on our study when our mind is calm. So the Padmasana make your mind become calm and give a firm foundation for concentration. The Padmasana clear physical, emotional and mental blocks and help awaken the energy center of the body and induce tranquility. Here in this you can see the picture of Padmasana which help you to increase your concentration power, and other asana which is done with the following Padmasana. Here you can see the posture of Matsya Asana which is done by doing Padmasana. So you can do Padmasana also and other asana which is related to Padmasana. Then our next asana is balancing asana. Children, balancing asanas develop the function of cerebellum, the brain center that control how the body work in motion. Balancing asana improve muscles coordination and posture, including physical and nerves balance and stilling unconscious movement. The focus is required to perform these asanas because you have to concentrate, you have to focus on a particular object to maintain your balance. So the focus is required to perform these asanas with the steadiness develops concentration and balance at the emotional, mental and psychic level and removing stress and anxiety. So the balancing asana help you to increase your concentration power because this time your focus is on your body, that you have to maintain your balance. So this help you to increase your concentration power. Here are the few asana of balancing group. This one is Vriksha Asana, free pose. This is Garudasana, eagle pose, Saral, easy, Nataraj Asana and Tadasana. These are the few. Here you can see asana of balancing asana, which help you to increase your concentration power. Then our next group of asana is inverted asana. Children, inverted asanas encourage blood flow to the brain, nourishing the nerves and flushing out toxin. Blood and lymph accumulate in the lower limbs, pelvic and abdomen are drained back to the heart, then circulated to the lungs and purify and recirculate to all parts of the body. The enriched blood flow also allow the pituitary gland to operate more efficiently, turning the entire endocrine system. You know, endocrine system is responsible for the whole change in your body. So they improve health. Inverted asana help to improve health, reduce anxiety and stress, and increase self confidence. They also increase mental power, concentration, and the capacity of sustain large workload without strain. So when we perform inverted asana, it encourages blood flow towards the brain and remove the toxic and enrich the blood flow to the pituitary gland to operate more efficiently, turning the entire endocrine system. And it is also increase your mental power, concentration, and capacity to sustain large workload without strain. Here you can see some postures of inverted asana, inverted pose. This one is Shirshasana, this is Sarvangasana, and this is Purnhalasana. So these are the few asana here. Inverted pose which help you to increase your concentration power, and some other asana also there which help you to increase your concentration power is Halasana, Shashank asana, and Ust asana, because in these posture also the blood flow towards the brain is very much, and it help you to relax your mind, calm your mind, decrease your anxiety, your stress, and increase your capacity of your learning and concentration power. And our next yoga is which help you to increase your concentration power is pranayam. Children, pranayam is the process by which the purification of blood is happening. So pranayam help you to purify your blood channel in your body, so it remove the blockage which present in your body and increase the vital energy in your body. So pranayam is also one of the best method to increase your concentration power. So let's see what are the pranayam which you can do to increase your concentration power. Children, first pranayam is Nadi Shodhan pranayam, which is also known as alternative breathing technique. In this, the three-part breath control, which consists of alternating nostril breathing, helps you to focus and clean clogged sinus as well as clogged mind. So then next pranayam is Bhramari pranayam, which is done by creating sound of humming bee. So do humming bee breathe by closing the ear with the index fingers, lip slightly closed, teeth slightly aparted, and hum while focusing on the exhalation. Means you have to create a sound of hum while exhalation, and it help you to relieve stress, cerebral tension, and increase internal awareness and concentration power. So Bhramari is also one of the best pranayam which help you to increase your concentration power. Then our next technique to increase your concentration power is Tratak. So Tratak is the part of your Shat Karma, Yogic Kriya. So Shat Karma having six process by which we clean our internal organ. So Shat Tratak is also one of the Shat Karma. Tratak is also one of the short karm which help you to clean your internal organ. So Tratak is a simple yet powerful practice and is one of the six purification method or short karm. The technique has to do with gazing on fixing the eyes on one point, either on one or any object or an a candle flame. The practice of Tratak is based on the scientific fact that the movement of the eyeballs can reflect our thinking process. When we concentrate, our thoughts are forced on a particular subject, due to which the stray thoughts become less or may even vanish. Means when we are focusing on any object, on any particular thing, that time our full focus is on that object. That time our thoughts which are coming from the outside is stop, is completely vanish. So Tratak is the process in which we focus at any particular object or a particular point, which help you to stop your all the thoughts. At the same time the eyeball becomes steady. There is connection between our eyeball movement and our mental state. So if we forcefully fixed our gaze on a particular point, we can induce a steady concentrated mind. Our thoughts will become less and the turbulent mind can be brought under control. So this is the benefit of Tratak. You can increase your concentration power by regular practice of Tratak. Tratak can be done by on flame of an candle, black dot, on the wall, the crystal ball, the shivling, the early morning sun, the full moon, picture of a deity, etc. can be used depending on one's choice. The most commonly followed technique is gazing on a candle flame. Here you can see the picture of Tratak on candle flame. So the level of your point, your flame should be equal of your eye. So these are the few techniques by which you can increase your concentration power by doing regularly.